Hello my lovely foodie members, welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you this authentic Ghanaian soft waakye. If you are a lover of soft waakye, then this recipe is for you. All you have to do is to watch this video to the end and you will love this. If today been your first time on this channel, do wait to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. So now without wasting my time, let's dive right in. For this recipe, the main ingredients is beans, and we're going to use black eyed peas for this recipe. So to start with everything, I will start by removing all the wanted particles that I don't need from these beans, just the way you see it on your screens right now. It's always advisable to remove all the wanted particles from your beans, especially when you buy it from the local store, because we really want to enjoy this waakye very well. So while that is done, I will transfer all the beans into a different bowl. I'll go in with some water and I'll be washing this for about 2 to 3 times until the water runs out very clean. Alright, so now we are done washing the beans and it's nice and very clean. So I'll transfer it into my cooking pots, and afterwards I'll also go in with some sorghum leaf. You can as well do away with it if you don't want to add it. Alright, so you need to also wash these leaves very well, because if you don't, you wouldn't enjoy your waakye very well. So after adding everything to the pot, I'll go in with some water. Remember I said we're making a very soft waakye, so the water you go in should be a little bit more. Alright, I'll go in with some baking powder, which is going to bring out the red color from the sorghum leaf very well. Okay, so after about 10 to 15 minutes of cooking it, that's how it looks like. I'll give it a good mix, and as you can see, the red color is really popping out very well, and that's just perfect. The more the baking soda goes in, the more the color becomes very dark. So kindly notice so that you don't go in with too much of baking soda. For me, I added about 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and it was just perfect for the amount of rice that I'm cooking. Alright, so after checking for the beans as well, it's not ready, so I'll just give it a good mix, and I'll go in with more water and some salt to taste as well. I will mix everything together and allow it to cook for extra 10 to 15 minutes until the beans is nice and very soft. Alright, so after cooking the beans for extra 10 to 15 minutes, it is nice and very soft, and as you can see, the beans has also changed in color very well, and that's just what I'm looking for. So after the beans is nice and very soft, I'm going to remove all the sorghum leaves from the beans, because at this point I don't really need it, because I've already achieved the color that I want. But if you still want it to be in the pot until the rice is ready, why not? You can still allow it to be in it, but I just love the color, or the color that I've achieved, so I will remove it, and I'll still use this for my waakye recipe if I want to use it again. Okay, so all you have to do is to dry these leaves in the sun or in a cool dry place until it is completely dry, and afterwards you can store it for about a month or more before you use it. All right, alright, so after I am done removing the leaves, I'll go in with some cooking oil as well, which will also enhance the taste of this waakye. And next I'll go in with my rice. You can also use any type of rice that you want. I am using perfumed rice. Use any local rice or perfumed rice of your choice. And I'll go in with more water, because why not? Today I'm making soft waakye, my mom's favorite. And I know 70% of Ghanaians love soft waakye as well, because it's very heavy and it can stay on you for a very long time as well. So that's why people love this type of waakye very well. So after going in with the water and everything, I also checked for salt as well, and it was just perfect. So I'll cover it and I'll allow it to cook until it is nice and ready. And remember as well to check this from time to time, because waakye is more like jollof rice. It really needs attention for it to cook very well. And remember as well to take off all the leaves that wasn't able to remove earlier on. All right, so whilst that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my video, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. So we are back to check on the waakye after extra 10 more minutes, and as you can see, the waakye is coming together very nicely, and I just love the color as well. And as I said, waakye really needs attention, just like jollof rice. So from every 10 minutes you need to come back to check on it. And remember as well to do this on low medium heat. It's always advisable to cook everything on low medium heat so that you don't put pressure on yourself and on the thing that you're cooking as well. It's very necessary. So I'll give it a good mix. I'll cover it for the last time because at this point the rice is almost ready. I'll cover for about 10 minutes and ta-da! Our soft authentic Ghana waakye is ready. So all my soft waakye lovers, just give me high five in the comment section because this recipe there, chese atomolai so ankasa. And don't get me wrong, because it's not like I don't love soft waakye. I do love soft waakye, but not too soft as this one. Some of my family members do love this, so today I just wanted to surprise them with this recipe, and guess what, they really enjoyed it, and I hope my soft lovers waakye are really going to enjoy this recipe as well. So now all that is left is for me to serve myself and enjoy. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe, and are you going to try this soft waakye or not? Just let me know, and I'll be glad to read all that beautiful comments in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget as well to turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Also give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that yet. Share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this beautiful and inspiring recipe. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.